Hello everyone. Yesterday I uploaded one video to get the suggestion from with our friends. Why you are using AI tool, bro? You can use it your own voice, right? So then I decided, okay, this is a good chance to explore ourselves in our own voice. Then today's agenda is how to install Java because some of you don't know how to install Java in their local machine. Before diving to the installation, let us introduce myself. My name is Sanjay. I working as a software trainee in Bharat Electronics and I completed my full stack Java certification from iNeuron. Thanks to all that mentors all given great knowledge to me. Let's dive into the how to install Java in our local system. This is procedure. I will do it as well as this procedure also. First, we need to open our browser, go to JDK software installation. We need to click on Windows 17. You download because I already having, but I will show how to configure with environmental variable also. Just download it. It will ask a path. Just click on anywhere. I will download it from here. Download it as in from downloads. Okay, it's downloading. It will take time as well because depends upon our internet speed. Download, download it. It's downloaded. We will go to our downloads downloads folder. Here is already there, but I will show if you click this one, double click this one. It will ask yes. It will ask pop up. You need to click on SHMs. Then it will show like this. You need to set up your JDK as a 17. Click on next. It will show which directory it has to be in storing it seems. Later on we need this one when to configure the environmental variable. Anyway, I having I will show you once again. Later on I can delete it. After installing this one, it removing the old file, backup file, everything. It will updating the new file it seems. Okay. If next step it will take to successfully showing see documentation successful. Development kit successfully installed. Then close it. Then open it in your C directory as a Java program file. Here is Java. As I already there 17. Then we need to go to pin directory and copy this path. Copy this path, then type it env environmental variable in Windows. Then it will take this pop-up window. Then set the variable. I already set the variable environmental variable here Java 17. Then here also this is for user variable. You can type it anytime it will shows. Another one is in system variable. This one here also. If you click on edit, it will just copy paste that path here. Click on OK. Here also click here, path, edit. It will show here. You can paste it here. Add a new. You need to paste it because I already have. I not paste it because it makes trouble in while doing. Because I have JDK 8 also, JDK 17 also. Your choice, whatever you can install, it should be in perfect because Java has to be run anytime, anywhere. Here is there another one, Java 17 here also is there. Here is there. Okay. Click on OK after saving. Okay. And then we go to the this one done. Then we need to run set up whether the Java is installed or not in our command prompt. Type it as Java hyphen version. See, Java 17 is installed. Like this, we need to install. Then we will run on program. Then we can get to know. We will make it one notepad. Here we will type it as class of Java example. Public static void main of VRC. Just print your name. All are printing all over. Just to print your name. System dot how to print Helen. Nice Sandra. I will print my name. You print your name. While saving this program, we need to save with this class only because JVM can't understand what name you call given to that class. It seems. Save. Save it as Java. Not extension of Java. Here you need to select all file. In the desktop only you will save. You save as a desktop now. Then minimize it. Then go to desktop. CD desktop. You can type it as directory. We will get to know what and all files are visible in your desktop. Let's check our file where is there. Here is there our file. This file we need to execute now. For that command, we need to type it as java c that file name java x.java. See, it's without an error it will create dot class file. I will show that dot class file also. Then we need to run the program as java exe. Class file is there already, that's why it's showing that. No need to type it. See, like this. It's executed. See, dot class file also is there, but dot class file we can't visible. It is binary data. Like, like how I show right. Like that, you need to install in your local system. This is how the flow is there. You can install it to according to this script also. You can take the screenshot or else you can get the video also. I will upload it in our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.